Okay, got a new scenic camera because it's not communicating or getting a noise onto the, or voice onto the videos. So I got the old camera right now. I formatted it, reset it with the new update and everything else. We got caught in the rain out going to Maine last, or 2 weekends ago. So gonna do a test run, just go what I call around the block here with the old camera and see if I can get it to work, and then go around with the new one and see if there's any difference. We thought maybe the mic was bad in this one, and so we ordered a new mic and speakers and put it in. Brenda can hear me now, but not getting anything on there. So now this is saying intercom failed, so sucks. But the test is in the pudding and see what happens that way. And the GoPro, we got one too, so we were getting voices or audio on the GoPro. So try and see what happens there. So I'm just going to keep talking about whatever, and wait till we get back. I'm going to go around the block. So on the camera, and where you plug into the speakers and the mic, it broke out. Called them, they're going to replace it. And I have to say, Senna's real good on their warranties. So that's what we're trying to find out on this C10 EVO camera. See if there's something wrong with it, or just mic wasn't set right, or the intercom was set wrong, or gonna find out here in a little bit. Got that trip planned down to Tennessee, so we want to be able to communicate and talk to you guys and go that route, but have to wait and see. 2-year warranty on the camera, so see if it doesn't work, I'm going to give them a call today. It's always something. So just being able to ride and enjoy myself. Like I said, I like putting the videos on. I don't always talk all the time, but when I do, I thought it'd be interesting. Me and Brenda were out yesterday, or day before Saturday, and had a real nice conversation with her. And no sound. Well, you can hear if you really listen hard on it. It was so low, it was scary. Okay. So that's the test with the one camera.
Goodbye.
camera out right now, so if you're on GoPro, you know what's going on. Like I said, trying to check these out before we go to Tennessee. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, now this is part 2 of the camera test here. I had the old one, just went around the block. I don't know if you hear anything or not. Now, got the new camera out. Let's see if it's working. Still got the same thing on that. Check it out and see. Got a little less than 2 weeks before we go on to Tennessee, and I like to get the cameras fixed. So I think I'll have to adjust the settings when I get back to that stupid intercom fail thing, but we'll find out. The old camera, if it doesn't work today, I'm going to give them a call. I already talked to them about it. Can get replaced because it's still under warranty yet. 2-year warranty.